Bit number 53. Given roots of this equation are in GP, then find a difference between largest and smallest. So roots are in GP. So A by R, A R are the roots. S3 alpha into beta into gamma minus D by A minus into minus plus A cube equal to H 2 cube. So A value is 2. That is nothing but the X value. Difference between the largest and the least. So we want another two roots. This is the one root. We want the remaining roots. So by using the synthetic division, 1 minus 7 plus 40 minus 8 0 1 into 2 minus 5 minus 10 plus 4 plus 8 remainder 0. So x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Split into factors. X square minus 4x minus 1x plus 4 equal to 0. Take x common. X minus 4 minus 1 common. X minus 4. X minus 4 into x minus 1 equal 0. X equal to 4, x equal to 1. Therefore, roots are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. He wants a difference between largest and smallest. Largest value is 4. Smallest root is 1. So difference between largest and smallest is 3. Bit number 54. Given alpha, beta, gamma are roots of this equation, find the value of 1 plus alpha square, 1 plus beta square, 1 plus gamma square. These two are the options. Next, let alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 2, gamma equal to 3. Form a cubic equation with these three roots: x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 1 into x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x minus into minus plus 6 equal to 0. Multiply these two. X cube 5x square plus 6x. Multiply with minus 1. Minus x square plus 5x minus 6. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x 11x minus 6 equal 0. Given cubic equation x cube 3x square plus qx plus r equal 0. Comparing these two, p value minus 6, q value 11, r value minus 6. First calculate value of the given problem. 1 plus alpha square, 1 plus beta square, 1 plus gamma square, 2 into 5 into 10. So finally 100. Given problem value is 100. Verify the options. First option r plus p, r plus p whole square, q plus 1 whole square, r value minus 6, p value minus 6 whole square, q value 11 plus 1 whole square, 144 plus 144 equal to 88. We want 100. So this is not the answer. Verify the second option. R minus p whole square, q minus 1 whole square, R value minus 6 minus P value minus how much plus 6, Q value 11 minus 1 whole square plus 6 to minus 6 cancel, 11 minus 1 10 square value 100. So problem value is 100, option value is also 100. So second option is the right answer. This is the verification method. Take any three values. Take any three values for alpha, beta, gamma. For example, we take 1, 2, 3. First calculate the cubic equation. Next compare with the given equation. We get the p value, q value and r value. So problem value is 100. Check the options. Value of the first option 288. Value of the second option 100. Similarly third and fourth. So second option is the right answer. Bit number 56. Given alpha and beta roots of this equation, gamma, delta are roots of this equation, and also given alpha, beta, gamma, delta are in GP, then find the value of a plus b, value of a plus b. Next, let alpha equal to alpha, beta equal to k alpha, gamma equal to k alpha square, and delta equal to k alpha cube. GP multiply with a constant value k alpha square, alpha, beta, gamma, delta are in GP. Kr kr square, kr cube, alpha equal to k, beta equal to kr, gamma equal to kr square, delta equal to kr cube. Alpha, beta are the roots. So, sum of the roots minus b by a, product of the roots equal to a. Alpha value is k, beta value kr equal to 3. Take k common, 1 plus r equal to 3. Equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Next, also given gamma delta or roots of x square minus 12x plus b equal to 0. So, sum of the roots gamma plus delta minus b by a, gamma into delta c by a. This is equation number 4. Gamma value k r square, delta value k r cube equal to 12. Take k r square common, 1 plus r equal to 12. This is equation number 3. We want k value and also r value. See, 3 by 1. This is the third equation. This is the first equation. K r square 1 plus r by first equation k into 1 plus r equal to 12 by 3. K cancel, 1 plus r cancel, 3 4 times cancel, r square equal to 4, r value root 4 plus r minus 2, r value equal to 2, while given r is greater than 1. So from this condition we take only plus value. This is r value. Substitute r value in equation number 1. From 1, k into 1 plus r equal to 3. K into where r value 2. 3 cancel. K value 1. K value 1. He wants value of a plus b. A value is alpha beta. B value is gamma delta. Alpha value k. Beta value kr. Gamma value k r square, delta value k r cube, k square r power 5, k square value 1 square, r value 2, k square value 1 square, r square value 2 power 5. So 2 plus 32. Total value is 34. Again, alpha, beta are the roots of this equation. Gamma, delta are the roots of this equation. And also given alpha, beta, gamma, delta are in GP. Let alpha equal to K, beta, KR, gamma, KR square, delta, KR cube. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta minus B by A. Alpha value K, beta value KR. Take R common, 1 plus 3. Alpha into beta equal to A. Similarly, gamma, delta are the roots. Sum of the roots, product of the roots. Gamma value KR square, delta value KR cube. KR square common, 1 plus R. Divide 3 with 1. 1 plus R, K cancel. 12 by 3 equal to 4. R square value 4. R value root 4 plus R minus 2. R equal to 2. Since given in the problem, R value is greater than 1. So, using this one, we calculate K value. From the first equation, R value 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 3 cancel. K value 1. We want A plus B. A means alpha, beta. B means gamma, delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. K square R. K square R power 5. K value 1. R value 2. 2 plus 32. That is 34.